How to add a credit or debit card in the Chipotle app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a credit or debit card in the Chipotle app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Chipotle app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the menu icon which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just tap on payments or payments method, and after that on the new page, just tap on add credit/debit card. And after that, you'll be prompted to the page where you need to enter your card details. So there, just enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and the billing zip code. And after that, you can just tap on save, and after that, your card should now appear in the payment section. And that's it. That's how you can add a credit or debit card in the Chipotle app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.